Hi friends, welcome back to Computer Education for Kids. I hope that all the uploads which are provided through Computer Education for Kids are useful to everyone. In the first upload, it was about computer a smart machine and history of computers. There were some activities which are related to both these topics. So today I have planned to share some information about the uses of computer at different places. So let's look into that. Uses of computer. Computer is a smart machine which works on the principle of input processing output IPO cycle. It takes input from the user, processes it and gives the output in the form of meaningful information. It stores and processes data at a very high speed with accuracy. Features of a computer. The following features make computer a smart machine. Speed. As compared to humans, a computer works very fast and does a large number of calculations quickly. Accuracy. A computer always gives correct results. Errors are reported due to incorrect data or instruction from the user. Versatility. A computer performs a variety of tasks. Hence is also known as multitasking machine. Storage. A computer can store large amount of data and information which can be retrieved whenever required. A limited amount of data is stored temporarily in the primary memory. A large amount of data can be stored in the secondary storage device for a longer period of time. Diligence. A computer can work for longer hours with the same speed and accuracy without getting tired. Reliability. Computers are reliable, they do not make mistakes. Computers have many advantages, but they also have certain disadvantages. Zero intelligence. A computer does not have any intelligence of its own. If incorrect input is given, the output will be incorrect too. Effect on health. Working on a computer for long hours leads to weak eyesight and causes obesity. Computer hardware. Computer hardware are the parts of a computer system which we can see and touch. They are divided into different categories on the basis of their functions. Devices, uses and examples. Input devices. They are used to provide input to a computer. Mouse, keyboard and scanner are the examples. Processing device. This is used to process the given inputs. Central processing unit CPU is the example. Output devices. They give the processed output. Monitor, printer and speaker are the examples. Storage devices. They are used to store data for future use. Pen drive, CD-ROM, DVD are the examples. Computer software. Hardware cannot work on its own and needs instructions. These instructions are in the form of programs. Software is a set of programs that tells a computer to perform specific tasks. Different types of software are used for different types of work. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is a manager of a computer system, while application software is a software that helps in doing some specific task. Uses of computer. Computer are used everywhere in our daily life. Let's study their uses at various places. Home. A computer is at home for various purposes. Play games, listen to music and watch movies. Type letters and store addresses and phone numbers. Draw and paint. Make cards, plan budgets and make expense sheets. Surf the internet and send or receive electronic mails, that is emails. Book electronic tickets, it is e-tickets, and do online shopping. Schools. Computers are used in schools by teachers, students, and non-teaching staff members for various purposes. Teach different subjects, prepare lessons, report cards, timetables, presentation and test papers. Prepare projects, other information and keep different subjects. Learning. Perform activities like playing games and giving online tests. Hospitals. Computers are widely used in the medical field. They have become an essential tool in managing different functions in a hospital, nursing home or a laboratory. Maintain medical records and treatment details of patients. Perform operations. Research and find cure for diseases. Perform medical tests and checkups like CT scan and blood test. Entertainment. Computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment. Make feature films and animation movies. Add special effects in movies. Create characters and scenes of blood, fire and storm. Add sound, movement and expressions to cartoon characters. Banks. Computers are used in banks for various purposes. Operate ATMs and provide internet banking facilities. Keep record of account holders and their transactions. Do online inquiry of a customer account balance. Update the account balance, calculate interest and verify the checks of customers. Offices. Computers are used in office for performing different tasks. Make and keep records of office documents. Maintain employees' personal details and salary records. Communicate using emails. Type and print office document and prepare presentations. Libraries. Computers are used in libraries for various purposes. Access libraries' computerized book database. Check records of books issued and returned. Access online research articles and journals. Science and technology. Computers are used for various purposes in the field of science and technology. Provide fast, accurate and flexible ways of handling data. Help in research and invention. Help in launching missiles and satellites, conducting experiments, making different scientific equipments and weather forecasting. Designing. Computers help in the field of designing in various ways. Architects use computers to design houses and buildings. Engineers use computers to design car, scientific apparatus and equipments. Shops and hotels. Computers are used for various purposes in shops and hotels. Keeps records of items sold. Generate bills and maintain salary details of employees. Manage data of employees and customers. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you once again for all the support which you have provided me all throughout my last uploads. Expect the same in future too. Kindly subscribe my channel. If you like my presentation, hit on the like button and share to friends as well.